When Atom Araulio was grade 3, he was my student. He was very shy. I took a look at him and said, this kid can be Oliver Twist. So I went to him and said, you wanna play the lead role in the school play? And then he was saying, no teacher, I'm shy. Just try out. I told him, just try out. And then he says, okay teacher. Okay. Nakaupo ka sa iyong silya nang iabot mo sa akin ang dilaw na papel na nagsasabing gagampanan ko ang lead role sa pagtatanghal ng Oliver sa Ateneo Children's Theater. Masaya ako dahil napasaya ko sina mama at papa. Pero lalong nakadagdag sa aking galak ang makitang proud na proud ka sa akin. Sometimes it's something as simple as that you see something in the student and you push them. And then I think from then, he never looked back. From grade 3 onwards until he was in grade 7, he was the lead role in the school play because he already discovered that kind of talent. Lalo tuloy akong namangha nang ialay mo ang iyong buhay sa isang napakahirap, ngunit napakarangal na propesyon. Sabi mo sa akin noong isang linggo sa Facebook, proud ka sa akin. Pero ang totoo, mas proud kami sa'yo. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Sansa. Maraming salamat din, Ato. What's that saying they have? People who can't do, teach. I beg to disagree because at the end of everything, and God asks me, what did you do with your life? I only have 2 words to answer. I teach or I taught. And I guess that's not a bad thing.